All right, ready? Boom, boom, some of them. This right here, Cherokee purple heirloom tomato. Actually, so you can see how thin they are, but that cut them about this thick. And they cook for about an hour and a half at 300. Olive oil, salt, pepper, and my herb mix. I put a dried herb on it just to get the flavor into it. Then, see how it's almost like jelly. Tomatoes have a lot of pectin, a lot of sugar to them. So see how it's nice and juicy? That's exactly what you want. So I'm gonna take a small piece, a slice of buffalo mozzarella. Hold on, where'd you go? Where'd the basil go? Hello, basil. Say hello to my little basils. Piece of basil. Up. Like a little basil tomato sandwich, man. There you go, try that. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Flour?
Yeah, it's a wheat. It's a wheat from Italy. It's a wheat flour. Very hard wheat. All right, I gotta get starting to stick. At every stage that you put stuff on, I'm really not supposed to use the polyurethane, but I don't have a peel big enough. So I'm gonna be really careful when I stick this in the oven because if that touches the steel, it's just gonna liquefy. All right, ready? Boom, boom, some of that. Buffalo mozzarella comes from water buffalo. The milk is much sweeter. It's more delicate. It's called buffalo mozzarella.
Does it melt down like normal cheese?
This is full fat mozzarella. And when you do a pizza like this, you have to use full fat so it melts nicely. Now, thank you very much. This is a really cool independent olive oil. Apparently. I personally like my pepper. It's my oven, my house.
We love your house and we love your pizza.
This is a provolone mix. Provolone munchkin. That's it. 1, 2, 3.
So we're adding the tomatoes.
We're adding the tomatoes. These are heirloom Cherokee purples that I have cooked for an hour and a half with herbs, olive oil, salt and pepper. Really slow in the oven, and they kind of candy, almost like fruit gem slices. Okay.
How many minutes?
I would say for this one, less than 3. See how the cheese is kind of melted all the way around over it? This dough is an amazing dough. You put the olive oil, it soaks in.